wo memo akwaba e de aba the Punch TV so mesro so be share video yi e de ama me mediane akire broni ye nyina nim sa ade be kya de be se bia no ensem kwa na ekoso wo wiase enu nti no de betwa go social media ne so bia the Punch TV for e ba be so me ahwefo ye de bia ye kase ensem no de be pop ana be security no enu an ye be fa de aba beto channel yi so ama wanya bia hye na woni bibi ye de no wa asem eba beto ho no ma yenyi bi mfumi emfa bi nka ho se de wo oka no ana se de sikoye no sa pepepe ene ba beka no ewo ye channel yi so de amamo yenyi bi mfum medafo nyina munim se Ghana ha nim se di ana se wiase afa na nyina no de bia asem twa na etwa gu oda so ri abeti asem foforo oda so ri abeti asem foforo mesro se nani de di kan a wo hwe video ya ana wo hwe channel ya meso so be mi subscribe button so se de be ya upload video bia ubenya bi ahwe ubenya notification onya bi ahwe e de ama me mesro share ma me sanse no ehia mi ye pa se wotimi sha na amanfo nso enya bi ahwe no mahu de e koso e wo media ne so afi so comment no ja no comment section wono no matimi aba bekenkan kama e de ama like video no e ma remfi
Sano, me catch them say, Sir, and Yaman Motuana, Inspector General of Police, the internal security of this country, a son and Sano, Sanya Mana Oyen and some fool. Dampare, watch me, watch my listen, say Sanya Mana and some fool, and stop lobbying. We are the most useless IGP under the Fourth Republic. Yes, and enough is enough. Enough is enough. Here to a band ye, our for enough. manu ewon kran ewo please to a new school na mo deposit for se akai some agigi nyema bi afrinkofo bi ho promising them say money letter commission for betimi assess resource no amafo ato ewo dome kwa benya ba na o mato ho ya declare no dome kwa benya no mo de kwa collation center ben na asa akwa kekabom akwa declare hwan as a winner. The winners, they have already been declared. Mama for Ghana for Kuma and Niagro, the lives of Dampare and the CRD boss, at the anger near my phone. Please to a new school, hono. Please to a new school, area. Ye tiene a ya amount for no mobile a year police service, a whole and your collation center. Yes, the was soon 1 year. Dampare was swan 1 year. Dampare was so say wo hangi what is sabe apan wo hangi what is apan eso nyunu wadwo yes de mo ye nyina na motu amu ye nyina ye ni mo ya wo the way abalo be sa wo joma ama be retain you as an IGP and you people friends say ni mo ya mo ye order from above for the question na akwayo editing ne ma de achi ye no Dampare enko you feel say you don't know what you guys are doing. And and now collection center no illegally near the abesa tesano this a can end this for near anything and this for soria na ba ya tono wo eye akwatia aba ya tono wo fatia kwa near the aba yes police training school useless ones and I'm saying this young supporters no akomanya nto efom sao ya declare obi ewo eyetema central so a winner it be bright etimu person ka chere say that useless easy boss and the deputies no the last of Tete and Bossman useless ones mo person mo chere me say tema central na ya declare it be bright so na ya winner no mo ba kwa change no na obi foforo aba so ya winner na Obuasi is now ya declare NDC new as a winner. A presiding officer na declare na dadano. Mubaba betna and cry. Atenye say a MPP no rather and a winner na. Wait, hey, munyati na musha ya bufu. Munya samne kana musha ya bufu. Ablekumas enough. Ya declare a Rabla Obin as a winner no. Uba betra say uko odia websa kwaya recollation na uko declare hwan awa hen useless ones useless and they have bought the media houses, some of the media houses. Go and sit on the platforms and defend these useless things from the useless EC boss, useless IGP, and his useless CRD boss. You think we don't know what you guys are doing? That policeman called us, so your operation is okay. We think we don't know what you are doing. Mr. Power Nasesa. Yet now be mo. Sa 2020. Moko to 2 ni power. Techema Saf ni ade no. Ebi CBM. Wallahi ebi CBM. Do so ya ba ma wa Ghana ha no. Ba bi a constitution e kire say ye to ba wi ne declare obi say oye winner. Yes sa ahode nyina beduru nkran. Ni aba be sesa resource. Amufri say this sabe ya we de no mutwama enso ne ba firi ma ba ho. Mo say abufuo. And some of us, you traffic the Swa, you can such a supporters no mutia. But because so mutis about to message as your bonte. Yes, your pepis, power near dear. 2 minutes near dear. Useless bagger bigger be a trababy. Bagger bigger be a trababy. Yes. Bagger clamor be a trababy. And taking useless and nonsense decisions in this country. Yes, victory is ours. We are on the winning side. Ya winning abano. Ma wo bia sorry. Ameka say ya kofa bele kumanov. Ya kofa wan. Mo try. I'm sending a warning to you. Mo try. Yes, and it is alleged. Say Ablekumanov akeo. Pink sheet in it, Adena, Ene, Ahomati, 1:45 a.m. Nina, I say, and it is alleged. Say MP before now, says a pink sheet. Now, I say, if I home, some of I declare when another. What you say? This is a strategy. Sa class of schools, a year was up, area when question. Because, Ko Facebook like Power 97 TVs was at Ghana. More Germany, France, USA, many about 10 and we do birthday. Our America mem. Munyamu ko Facebook live. More Massachusetts. Our United States of America. More New York. More Bronx. Mutie nyinanu UK for more Manchester, Coventry. More Leicester. More Mutie Liverpool. And Colchester areas nyina Tottenham, North, South, East, London, baby. Ko Facebook like Power 97 and who Germany, who Stuttgart, who Freiburg, and I say who tie me our Berlin. Ko Facebook live who Italy. Now who tie me who Modena. Now who tie me ko Facebook live Power 979 who UAE. Now who tie me ko Facebook live Power 979. Ko ready ko foi aye. Ma question. Ye ya win ye. And this ya declare win ye nti ya kwa shipping sheet ayede. Ya kwa shipping sheet ayede. The same thing happen in Tapa. Na so ja for pay. Na fei enu no. Semahu ya declare a rabna obin kana baby sorry anya na dwe so be change results bia e wo Ghana ha elikun makurugu it be bright obuasi is NDC na wa we no onwoti o ada na sa areas ya NDC awe no e na yisi for more problem we ni pa bon for papa. Yes, and I like what lawyer Addo Gitamakro lawyer Nyakupo sha say NDC nya wo Yakupon shall say, and this is not lawyer Addo Gitamakro. Yakura power. Yakura power. Yet trawa ama other radio stations no on my money or be moon trassy a 2 foot on Ghana for any. Yet trawa a massive akamu 2 foot on Ghana for any power near you crying. That's why your Bama was why your Bama, why your Bama. So a best a resource. I would these 5 constituencies no on piano and tran. Yes, or better. Yanya mau me say in opposition the way I'm tia me say sign me nyo obi am ya bete ana me nya bete so da me nya bete da because tankoliga bigger tankoliga ne ba ne me nya bete da na do so ya be ma no on try so ba ko say results e wo eye do me kwa benya obakwa kwa say results e wo eye Ablekumanov obakwa kwa say results e wo Abwasi is baga bigger be ni radio. My spirit is very high today. Yes, it is time. Sir, Ontiano Santa Semet, that one I'm a say, it be more defended than Paris. That useless IGP na be mu defend no. Ebi mu dating and Addo okwa Abuja on the knife. Dating and Addo ko Abuja ba ya dan pare ankohia no. Another private jet in the coy. Dating or belandi you know what they said dan pare ankohia no. You want to be IGP? Incompetent man like you want to be Saubaya IGP under John Mohammed's administration. Stop lobbying because it won't work. It won't work. Enya Juma. Joma manu ni momo no mobile Juma dada. Yes. Etimunyano na mama papa you want peace of mind no fanya na Juma. We are tried and tested. We were experienced. Even obi ababa konkron ma rade Pentecost seminar where they were abamo we enya father for all amamo enya asoreba asemamamo a serious business, serious governance and ya deba Ghana for a time for serious business. Ya twa masabe sabe ekwafo bi ne nam chachai amachi omo say wo mu no omunnim dia papa chai no yenim ko ya ko ne ya dia bedu ba bia ya duo no yenim ko ya ko ne ya dia bedu ba bia ya duo no yes wo ko ne ya nim ba bia sase ya ane nim ba bia ya ba bedu tuka zini te ni wundama yiki ma mitibam ya dawum bam tara suri ni nefa bam nam bam na nye bugum o mudi agwa mbo fire. Now they have started burning markets. Go to Kumasi race course. They burn more than 36 shops. Race course in Kumasi just to a baby. People think we don't know what we are doing. We are on the ground. Oppression say ya juma. Baby amu we cast ni sheni nyina mutie me se magini nyina ene asenso buache ake angels no office yase wo ene wo ma appointment we be my chief director na chief director no hwa na ba ya adwuma osafo ma fo ka kire 2017 mo free say e refiana mamu no mistake SIC ho police don't make mistake we acting CEO menye mistake. Baby amu we cast ni kogo ni nyina including Burma camp Sakas ni go on Viet ni Prado de go on Burma camp se se mama soldier for area Sakas no ma take control dada in the spiritual realm munim dia kwaso do so ya Burma no move back kokora cameras ni bibia ya adwuma from the angels. Yes, I said it here yesterday. Say a year aviation 132 excavators. 132 excavators. Musi for mo come daba no almost papers no mo de man awia no won for mbra misesi a 132 excavators mo fi say ye di agro jato ene secretary osahwan sa major secretary ya u deploy am for ake e de mo call so mo ko gina mo ma ayo oko boy e wotation no wo be yesterday wo be ma camp ho munim dia baba boys now we do makogo aviation ho e was excavators no let them move from that area as soon as possible. We are taking over power. Yes, Jatono ya only in charge of that side and the filling station aviation one yesterday warehouse so amade land cruisers ni go nyina e am sere the engines are working. Me here patrol team bia say me the soldier for na post for your operations you me say the engines are working. Atuabo gas what's the region Atuabo gas gas nyina take control of everything. Don't make any move so wrong move say who the car na akoko epia kofa baby ya ba kire mama mu move say ya ba hama jo mama bebre mu ji say jo mama so Ghana for so afra no ya de na ba say ba betena ho aha amane ma say ya na esida jo mahama will succeed. Ghana bedi ye Ghana ebedi ye fantastic. Move say ya wa mrama mo janda majuma naku sifo kan katacha fifamo ene oman ene ni obi mo janda majuwa ne Paul adoma chemo janda majuwa ne maguno. Yes ene ye wotumi ye fa tumi ni so ni agro ye di tumi ne basom Ghana for document se ma me my brother fantastic document ni ni kasi ni nyina what you say list of excavators at Medina Adanta Aviation Park. Any chassis numbers, everything. Yeah. Secretary say utiemi. Jato so utiemi. Excavators here 132. Yes. Ejuma Mugabe. Ejuma Mugabe mini angels ni ya no. Unti de bia. Ye mu bia. Ye tutu obia. Ye mepamo bia free in office. But ye ejuma no. Yes. These are the documents. Make a wrong move. Now you are doing so to excavator and whole party be. And I wouldn't say satellite angels now set yes one. Your documents in it. Yes. I tell you, show at all body. Yes. More fire. I don't call it a boom fire summer. And I Archbishop Duncan Williams. One day a sofu kukuda phobi. Omokosa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Komana Mo. Say nkunimdie tumi ayane dia na yetie ne koso ewo.
Thank you, Mr. President. I believe that at the point the media will excuse us. So, but for now, we came with some few proposals to discuss as our guide. Most times when new presidents and government comes, there's a very high expectations that high expectation that everybody has, and so we know that expectations have to be managed because you are a vessel that has come. I mean, these things that people say you've come to save, you've come to rescue, they should be very careful of that because you are a vessel in the hands of God. So they should stop saying that and pray for you rather that God can use you to execute the mandate that the people of this country have entrusted into your hands. I know it's a difficult challenge. During the time you were in opposition, we were talking one time and you were saying that Mama Lodina, you and her were talking, and it was like, what at all are you doing? You know, why are you standing for election with the kind of situation that we are facing and things are going through? But I think that was when you realized that it's a call and it's a mandate of God that you have to fulfill. And I remember that when we talked 2016, I had mentioned to you what I felt prophetically, that you have to leave, and at the right time you come again. And 2020 we met again with Honorable Elvis in my office, and I said to you that, Mr. President, you are not coming now, you will come after 2020. So when 2020 ended, I was very confident, irrespective of whatever anybody said, that it was your time to come back to fulfill mandate and to finish your unfinished business. And I believe that by God's grace, who preserved you, kept you alive, and you didn't die, and you lived, and you are still here, will guide you, preserve you, and give you what it takes to move this nation according to his mandate to where he wants to take this nation to. And we want to pray and believe that at your term of office, that the narrative, the negative narratives that have placed governments of this country will change during your term in office, and that we will see a new and a beautiful Ghana by the grace of God. In the book of Daniel, the 4th chapter and the 17th verse, the Bible says that all the living may know that the Most High rules in the affairs of men and give the kingdoms of men to whomsoever he wills. And it is very clear that what has happened in Ghana is the fulfillment of Daniel chapter 4 and the 7th.
Very well, they say Nijiaba and the Archbishop Duncan Williams Action Chapel, so for Power Dano, Wakasa, and Piboni de Diama, a year, Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Na baby, I say, I saw for no best, I saw for no collection beba, or manu be ye, Sika beba, man for being you my year, a month for betting me at pure more tight and be beer than Akonkai. And yen guest, Dr. Tanko Rashid computer na wɔyɛ deputy director of elections and IT edema ND Samonyoko ene ibedi nkomo pa ɛwɔ ha na sa na makɔ computer so no ma me kɔ ɔdanfo bɛkyi so wɔn na yɛ nam sifo a wɔwɔ mmarahyɛ bedwafie na enei deɛ kɔ so mmarahyɛ bedwafie no ɔmmɔ yɛ mu tew na afei deɛ aka nyinaa ene benada ntimeko solak na me ne Dr. Solomon so akɔtwetwe nkomo na deɛ aka yɛ deɛ abrɛm ɔdɛfo makɔ aba senior reporter congratulations. Thank you. Mabo adwuma bibia ye fine de. Bibia we se mi hu.
Ghana for actually.
Like they say bibia we se mi hu. Say what the excellence etia all the 6 regions. One wisdom. Mr. Kahan so abo adwuma pa. Ti mum miansa no bibia we se mi hu. Say mo the president elect etia aba. Da oba de na se obo mo ba de aba. Very well. Na dey course of parliament.
The course of parliament here big to be a I'm say akwaya chinje kakra. If you say emrane say to abawie na aban foforo no bekwa also ye akoma bosika ato no mfa bosome miensa bosome edika bosome etoso ni bosome etoso miensa say aban a wo ba no ba obetimi akọ Ghana ye futu no akwa yisika na Ghana for the aboy ho bra e de bebi tuatua ketua ne ade ansana bosome etoso miensa na aban foforo no efa ne ministers ni ade nyina na sa afi ne tusi akunya so watse no ye adwuma na ono ankasa de ne budget ayeden aba na watimi de no adi dwuma eno na wo se sa aban we si
ani de bia ensem de bi twagu media ne so de bia ida ade be chi bia no ensem no ebi beba media ne so na mo pese wunya bi hwe na wo hwe anase wo hu de no kre na ankasa ne etwagu no se no kre na ankasa de a ene subscribe to your YouTube channel no the Punch TV ai wo de mi subscribe button ne so mami ya upload video benya notification onso atimi ahwe no ahu de ekoso wo Ghana hanim se ni etwagu wo media ne so mitro share video ifa mami na afoforo so enya bi enhwe ja comment comment section no na minti making kind kama emfa mama re fi say obe like media ne achre bruni mcbrown